How to build a financials in Notion. Want to track your business or personal finances in Notion? Let's build a financial system step by step. So, start with a finance dashboard. Go ahead and create a finance dashboard. Now, on your finance dashboard, add quick links to income, expenses, budgets, and reports. This becomes your financial HQ. So you need to create an income database, expenses database, budget tracker, reports and dashboard, advanced linking. And as for income database, you need to create an income database or an income log, track the date, source, amount, and category. Switch to calendar view to see payment schedules. Now, after that, you need to create an expenses database. Build an expenses database where you can find properties for vendor, category, and payment method. Use board view to group expenses by category or filter by month. Now set up a budget tracker. Add categories with budgeted amounts, then roll up actual spend from your expenses database. Use formulas to calculate variance and see if you're overspending or saving. Now build reports with roll-ups and formulas. Show monthly income, expenses, and net profit. Create dashboards with filtered views to see KPIs at a glance. Now go ahead and advance link income and expenses to projects or clients. Rollups can show total revenue per client or total cost per project, giving you a mini ERP system inside Notion. And that is how to build a financials in Notion.